Meaning of document.
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 Document. A document is a written, printed, or electronic record that provides evidence or information about a person, event, or subject. It can take many different forms, including reports, contracts, letters, emails, and more. Documents are often used to communicate important information, establish legal agreements, or keep records of transactions. In today's digital age, the rise of electronic documents has made it easier than ever before to create, store, and share information with others. Overall, documents play a crucial role in our daily lives and are essential for effective communication and decision-making.